today we're gonna be doing a slime flip tutorial. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a slime flip tutorial, and I decided I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, so the first thing we have to do for this tutorial is to make some slime, because I have a lot of slime, guys. Like, I'm looking over there, there's a lot, guys. Like, I have an insane amount that I kind of forget about them. They're kind of like unactivated. So yeah, so we're gonna make some new slime, and we're gonna have to try and make the perfect slime flip slime. So it might take more than one time. I don't think it will, but it might. So let's just get going. So yeah. All right, guys, so first we're gonna start with some clear slime. This is some clear slime that we're waiting for it to clear up. I thought it'd be cool to make a clear butter slime, because it kind of like inflates and crackles a lot, and I feel like it really stays together. So we're gonna be trying it out, but first let's hear some crunches from this, because it has a lot of bubbles. Some nice crunches. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dye it, and I decided I'm gonna make it a aqua color because I really want to make it an aqua color. So putting some blue in there, and then we're gonna put just a little bit of yellow, and that is gonna make aqua. I hope it makes aqua. Uh-oh, did I put too much yellow? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more blue because I think it's too light. Plus, I want it to be less green. Alright, I think this is a good color now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some Daiso clay. Alright, so I feel like for the perfect whipping slime, we have to put like a little less clay than slime, maybe, just so that it's not a full clay slime, because I feel like that's a little bit too firm. I think we need it to be half-half. So I'm gonna try that out first. We'll see how it does, and then we'll put more clay if we need more clay. Okay, this has turned out into a really nice color, but I kind of want it to be darker, so I'm going to put some more blue. Hopefully, I didn't just make it green. Alright, I think we can start slime whipping, so let's try this. Alright, I think we made a perfect slime whipping slime. Slime flipping. I'm not sure. Is it slime whipping or flipping? I think it's flip. So slime flip. Slime flip. I know, I just realized that this is a slime flip tutorial, so I gotta show you guys how to do the flipping. Let's go ahead and start the tutorial, because I think we made the perfect slime. Alright, guys, so we're gonna start the slime flip tutorial. So basically, guys, what you gotta do is you gotta stand up. Go into an area where there's no carpet, because sometimes this can fall. You do not want to get this on your carpet, and it gets everywhere, and then it gets stuck. But if it does, get some vinegar. Alright. Anyways, so you're gonna go to a place where there is like not carpet, anything but carpet or cloth, and you're gonna get your slime, and make sure your slime is a good whipping slime. Good whipping slime is a slime that kind of is stiff, but it's also still at the same time very stretchy, but kind of just stiff, you know? So yeah, that's like a really good whipping slime. Anyways, get your slime. First, you're gonna want to test it out to see if it's a good whipping slime. So you're gonna go like this, you're gonna stretch, and then you're gonna flip to this side, and make a little O, then you're gonna flip it, while at the same time pulling this one over here. So yeah, so let's try that again. We're gonna stretch, flip, make a no, and then stretch this one and flip. And you're gonna do that like at the same time. See? O, flip, O, flip. Flip, O, flip. Flip, O, flip. And then you're just gonna continue doing that, and just continue doing that, and you'll just get better and better at it, and yeah. So guys, once you get this single, just basic flip down, you can do it very quickly, and you can do it without paying attention, because before I used to go like this. But now I can kind of just talk while I do it. But anyways, after you've done that, you can get onto the double flip, and even the triple flip, or even the quadruple flip, or maybe a 5 flip. I'm not sure how you even say that, quad. Anyways, these flips, I don't know if it was ever created by anybody, but I kind of just did it on my own. So yeah, I don't know if it was created, but anyways, so what you're gonna do with that one is you're gonna flip, but this time you're gonna try and flip this one even more to the other side, and you're gonna catch the middle of it. Sorry, that was a triple flip. You're just gonna catch the middle and just flip it like that. Like that. So basically just flip it all around. So you get like 2 flips. If you guys don't have the basic first part like flip, you guys have to rewind back. You should rewind back. Make sure you learn that. Stay there. Make sure you learn the basic flip because you really need that flip to really get the second flip. So yeah, make sure you do that. But anyways, this is getting really inflated and I am super excited because at the end of the video, I'll do like a little pressing. So let me try and do it slowly, the second flip. So you're gonna flip like this and then like really like just whip it over here. Whoops, I hit my head. Sorry, I did too slow. You gotta kind of do it fast so it stretches and then catch it like that. So I'm gonna try it again. So flip it and then flip it fast and then catch the middle and then just grab the other part like that. So like that. All right guys, let's move the counter so you guys can see better because I feel like it's kind of standing in the way, so. The wrong way, Paul. There's my yellow food coloring. I lost this. I was going crazy for it. Wow. All right, we got the counter moved and just it's gone. So yeah. All right, so we moved the counter. Now you can really see. Okay, so you're gonna slime flip like this and then really whip it to this side, catch the middle, and then grab it the end. So let me just show you guys really fast. Like that. And then you can do it like kind of slow like this. What's easy? But you can also just do it like really fast like this. You can't do it as fast as the single flip, but it is really fun. It is a little bit easier than the single flip, I feel like, because sometimes if I miss at the single flip, I can kind of just catch it in the middle and then like do a double flip and act like I, just meant to do that. All right, guys, so now after you got the double flip down, like that, we are gonna get on to the triple flip. All right, so for the triple flip, there's 2 different ways how to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the first way. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically do a double flip. So you're gonna do a double flip, but instead of ending it right here, you're gonna kind of leave some behind and like kind of go like that. And then you're gonna flip back like that, and it's like a triple flip. So that's 3 flips. Let me show you guys faster. So it's double flip, that. So flip, flip, flippity flip. And then there's the other triple flip that's like even more, it's kind of more like the double flip where basically you're just gonna continuously go. So let me show you. All right, so you're gonna go to the double flip, but you're gonna leave some behind, but this time instead of grabbing it, you're gonna go like this. You're gonna grab it right here, and then you're gonna flip it back over here. So let me try to do it faster so you guys can see. All right. So flip like that basically. Sorry guys, this slime is getting really fluffy, so it's kind of getting like a bit stiffer. All right, so let me try it again. So you're gonna, yeah, like that. That is the triple flip. Like that. I kind of like this triple flip a little bit more, but sometimes when I'm kind of just like doing it, because that one takes a little bit more focus, when I'm kind of just doing it like calmly, I like doing the other triple flip like that, where it's like flip, flip, flip. Rather than the other one's kind of like, show me what you got, huh? That is the triple flip, guys. So now we're gonna get on to the quadruple flip. So this one is like getting into the slime Olympics, the slime crazies or something like that. I kind of just realized, guys, this should be called like the slime physics. All right, anyways, so for the quad flip, you need to have that triple flip down, but the, which one is it? The flip where it's kind of like the comber flip, not the one where it goes around, but the comber triple flip. If you haven't got it, make sure you get that one down and then come back to this one. But anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the comb triple flip and you're gonna flip it. This time you're gonna stop in the middle again and you're gonna go like that. Then you're gonna flip it back up here, so it's kind of hard. Let me try it again. This one is still kind of hard for me, so yeah, this one's really hard. It's getting to professionals, guys. All right, so we're gonna get it to triple flip. Like that. Like that. Let me try it again. Triple flip, like that. So basically you're adding an extra flip into the triple flip, which is basically everything else. Still haven't gotten it completely down, but you guys get it. So you flip, 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 flippity flip. All right, so that one's super duper. I'm sorry guys, this is getting really fluffy, so it's starting to really kind of like, it's like even sticking to me now. Getting really nice. All right, look at this. Okay, let me try it again. So the quad flip is still pretty hard for me to do, but I can kind of do it. There, that was a good one. You kind of, also a very good tip for slime flipping once you get like across the double flip is to kind of stretch it out in the beginning first so you can really kind of like swing it around so that it's like stretchier. It's just easier and better. And also, I'm not sure if it's even possible if you don't do that, because like if you just go like this, you literally won't be able to do it. So, for the 4 like flips. Now we're gonna get on to the special edition, the special ops flips. Okay, I'm not sure of these. I know some of these exist, but I'm not completely sure. But yeah, all right. So there is the jump rope, and then there's a helicopter, and there's sort of like the infinite slime one. And and then there's one that I created. It's called the swirl, twirl, swirl. So yeah, I'll show you guys. All right, so for the infinite slime flip, basically it's kind of like this, but like you continuously do it. Okay, so basically you're gonna slime flip, and then you're gonna grab it in the middle, and then you can continuously grab it in the middle until you are done. So let me try and do it faster. It's like that. Whoopsies. Okay, this is getting really fluffy, guys. All right, there. Whoopsies. And this time you're gonna really want to swing it around, and it does kind of end because it starts to get really thin, but it's basically like an infinite slime flip because you can kind of just do it however many times you want. I like to do that one because I just like to sometimes go like that or something. I like to usually do like a triple infinite. All right, so that is the infinite one. Now we're gonna get on to the other one. So the other one is like jump rope. Okay, so that one, it's kind of literally just like a jump rope. So you're gonna make a U, and you're gonna wanna stretch it mid. Don't stretch it too long because then it goes everywhere. You know, it's really too long. Make a U, and then you're just gonna start flipping it like a jump rope, but you're gonna kind of make it go in like that. And I think that's a jump rope. I'm not completely sure, but that's what I have been seeing. So yeah, if I'm wrong, you guys comment down below. But anyways, stretch it, and then basically just like get closer like that. And then that's the jump rope. It doesn't really make a swirl at the end. It's kind of just fun to do, I think, if you're like slime whipping. I don't do it too many times, that much. As much as slime flipping, you can kind of just, you know, slime flip and then do like a little jump rope and then just continue playing. So yeah, that's the jump rope. And then the next one is the helicopter one. Okay, so the helicopter one, I think, is like this. So you're basically doing a slime flip, but then you're gonna start like literally flipping it a lot, and it's gonna become like a helicopter type deal. So let me just do it faster. So when you do it slower, it kind of like messes it up. That's the helicopter. And I think the helicopter is also like anything that like, you know, really spins around like that. So I think you can like maybe do an overhead one. I almost smacked myself in the face. Okay, so yeah, that is the helicopter one. That one is pretty fun. I like it, but you also really need to make sure you get those slime flips down so that you make sure you have control of the slime. Because a lot of times before, when I didn't know how to do a slime flip, I would like lose control, and it could get on the floor, it could dirty your slime, it can dirty your floor. So be careful. So yeah. All right, and the last one, guys, is the twirl swirl. So basically, guys, you know how there's the slime swirl where like you need like just like stretch your slime like this. The original slime flip is just like that. And then you just like do a little nice, that's like a slime swirl, right? So this next one is basically gonna make a twirl and a swirl on the same thing. So yeah, but it's also a slime flip. So you're gonna loop it, and then you're gonna kind of put it back over here, and then you're gonna start twirling it like that. So if you do it slowly, it'll like stretch out and it won't work out. So I'm gonna try and do it faster. Oh no, I did it too fast. Okay. It doesn't work with every single slime though. Like the twirl swirl doesn't, yeah, the twirl swirl doesn't work with every single slime. So yeah, like that. And then it makes a twirl and a swirl and the same thing. And I don't know, I love doing it so much. I like doing that as my finale slime twirl. So like you stretch it. Ta-da! It's just a cool little thing. Also, if the slime is too like stringy and too loose, it will like kind of mess up. I'll try and show you, because like if you do it slowly, it'll kind of like just get too long. Okay, well this one isn't. Well, kind of like that, and you can't really do a swirl. It's very hard. So yeah. All right, guys. So that is it for today's slime physics. I tell you all the slime flips I know. If there's any more, make sure you comment down below, and I will look them up. And yeah, let's go ahead. Don't leave yet, though, guys. We gotta do our little finale pressing, deflating of this thing. We have been fluffing it for a really long time now, and now we're gonna go ahead and put it back on the counter. We're gonna leave it there just for a little bit, so that, because like when you leave it there, guys, it kind of makes it even more bubbly. So that's just a little tip. And yeah. All right, we're gonna leave it here for like a minute or 2 minutes, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, it's been a while. Now we're gonna go ahead and press it, and let's go. Now we're gonna deflate it, guys. All right, it's definitely deflating. All right, guys, I think I'm all done now. I don't think there's any more crackles in the slime. Here's how small it got. It used to be a big ball, but now it's a small ball. All right, guys, so if you like today's video, make sure you comment down below if you guys want part 2. But I'm also gonna, like, if you guys want me to go more in depth, or if you guys want me to do something else, or like the longest or giant slime whipping or something like that, you guys make sure you comment down below and press that like button. And that's it. Thank you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.